So it's an early Thanksgiving Day weekend. It's cold, it's chilly, you're a car enthusiast, you're based in Niagara, and there's basically nothing to do. The closest country is around 60-70 kilometers away. What do? Well, you grab a few of your motorhead friends, hustle a few sponsors, and you organize your first and only car meet and cruise. So if you guys are interested, let's go for a quick drive.
Yeah, for sure.
Huge turnout. There's at least like 15-20 cars, right? Lambo, S5 cab, Beamer right over there. Just cool Austin right over there. AMG GT 911, 911, 911 right over there, right? This is the cab S, and my Tiger's right over there. Really cool RS3, RS3, both of them. This is with the chrome version. That way over there, it's got the blacked out one. The Nissan, super cool Corvette, Genesis, Golf, SQ5. Pretty cool Daytona over there. Overall, really cool turnout, right? And it's shout out to all the sponsors that actually blocked out this whole car park for us. Super sweet turnout. Is his wedding next Saturday, so just want to give him a toast. All the best, okay?
Cheers, guys. Cheers.